Correlative conjunctions. Dear students, they got their name by their role. Co means together and relative means relating one clause to another, one idea to another. So correlative conjunctions together relate one idea to another. They are also called tag team conjunctions. Just look at these examples. I want either the cheesecake or the chocolate. He is not only intelligent but also funny. She would rather play the drums than sing. Just as the Brazilians love soccer, so the Indians love cricket. In these examples, either comes with or, and not only is paired with but also, rather is paired with than, and just as comes with so. But one more thing is important, that they always take the equal part of speech or equal element of a sentence after them. For example, if you look at the either and or, they had taken the nouns after them. The cheesecake and the chocolate, both are nouns. If you look at the not only but also, they took the adjectives after them. Intelligent and funny, both are adjectives. If you look at rather and than, they took verb after them, play and sing. And if you look at just as and so, they took the complete independent clauses after them. So remember, they do not join the independent clauses with subordinate clauses. The only role that is played by subordinating conjunctions. So they just behave like coordinating conjunctions. Anyhow, in comparison, we use as and as to compare two nouns, but they always take either an adjective or an adverb with them. For example, uh, John is as tall as Jeff. A lion can't run as fast as cheetah. And bowling isn't as fun as skeet shooting. In these three examples, as and as, they come with pair. But if you look very closely, they take adjective, as tall as, or they take an adverb in them, as fast as, or another adjective in them. So they take adjectives and adverbs in order to compare two nouns. John is compared with Jeff, a lion is compared with cheetah, and bowling is compared with shooting. I hope it is clear. Now we would go for probable errors. What errors usually the students make? Just look at this example. Neither he nor or his brother is responsible. Both she as well as her sister are blind. Neither the students nor the teacher were present. You either study hard or you will fail. Have you looked at these examples? In these examples, neither comes with or, that is incorrect. Both comes with as well as, that is again error. Neither comes with nor, that is correct, but the verb is incorrect because in these with these correlative conjunctions, particularly with either and or neither and nor, we look at the second subject to make them make their agreement. So the second subject, the teacher, is singular, so there should be was. In the last example, either and or both are correct, but they take not the same part of speech after them. In the first, either takes verb, and in the second, or takes pronoun. So just look at this example. There should be an or in the first example, neither nor both she and her sisters are blind. Neither nor the teacher was present. Now, in the last example, we have to shuffle the words in order to make them correct or rectify them. So this is a verb and this is a pronoun. So if we take either before pronoun you, that will be correct. Either you study hard or you will fail. I hope everything is clear. This is a sample exercises for us to do. First of all, you will judge each sentence with their correct conjunction. Correlative conjunction particularly, I have both respect, obviously both takes. Yes, you are right, both takes and. It will rain either today and either takes. Yes, you are right, either takes or. She is neither mad, neither takes, nor to bear. Very good. Not only does she run her own business, blank, she does a lot of work for charity. So not only takes, but also. You're absolutely right. I hope you have understood their uses, their correlation, and they're having the same part of speech or same element of the sentence structure after them. So here's an exercise for you to solve. If you face any difficulty, problem, or question, you can ask me or you can write to me in the comment. Thank you.